When dividing in scientific notation, you'll first take the mantisas, or the constants, and divide them, and then you will divide the powers. Now, what I mean by that is here in purple, I have 8 times 10 to the negative fourth and 2 times 10 to the positive third, and I'm dividing those. So I could look at it as, because in multiplication, especially multiplying fractions, we can do, change the color here, 8 over 2, 8 divided by 2 to get 4, and then 10 to the negative fourth over 10 to the third. Using the quotient rule, we subtract the exponents. So we get negative 4 minus 3, which is negative 7, and I place that times in there, and that is my final answer. And I know it's my final answer because the mantissa, 4, is in between 1 and 10. Now here, in our black problem, I'm going to first divide the mantissas, and I can't do that in my head, and you're not allowed to use a calculator, so I'm going to set this up, put the first number inside what I call the house, move the decimal place over until the outside number is a whole number, and raise it to the roof on the inside after you move it over the same amount. So 26 goes into 1, 0 times. 26 goes into 15, 0 times. 26 goes into 250 at least 5 times. Let's try that. 10, 13. Alright, so that works. Bring down the 8. 26 goes into 208, I believe, 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Perfect. So I need to erase some of this. Maybe I'll do it over here. 0.58 times 10 to the fourth. Because of the quotient rule, I subtract the exponents. Now I'm not done because a mantissa is not between 1 and 10. So I need to make it 10 times bigger to get in between 1 and 10, so 5.8. So since I made it 10 times bigger, I don't have to multiply it by as many tens, 1 less to be exact. So it's 10 to the third.